It was a burning hot day in New York. We were in the Upper West Side, and right as we got off the subway, we saw these two cute little birds struggling in a patch of grass. They didn't even react or move when we came close to check on them. Had to run to an appointment, but sent some footage to my veterinarian friend, and he recommended a few places we can take the birds for medical assistance. So after my appointment, we went back to rescue them. Went to a corner store and brought 2 empty salad bowls to put them in, but wound up putting them both in one same bowl so that they feel safer next to each other. I took them to the Wild Bird Fund and filled out some form and was told that they were baby pigeons and perhaps fell out of the nest too early, so they haven't learned how to fly yet, but they're in good hands now and hopefully they'll be able to fly soon.